it's Tim from YourSix Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to sign out of your YouTube account on your Android phone. So this is very easy. Just swipe down from the top right and go to Settings. Then scroll on down until we get to where it says Apps. So here's Apps. Then go to See All Apps. Scroll all the way down, and YouTube's on the bottom. So you can use this method for any app you're signed into. So you can go to YouTube right here. And now what you want to do is locate where it says Storage and Cache. And then go to where it says Clear Storage. So you can clear storage. If you go to Clear Storage, this will sign you out of your YouTube account, and then you're going to have to sign back in again. So I can press this and then go to Delete. This app will delete your data, including files and settings, and this will be permanently deleted. So if you are signed into like Netflix or something, this will remove your email address and your password, and you can delete it right there. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.